I think I just ran out of battery while reviewing this, so let's have a look at it again. So that's the 1/2 meter blade. And here's our instruction manual. It's a lot of pictures with numbers. But let's have a look at the numbers themselves. So some things which were specifically interesting was switch trigger A and B. Here 7 and 8, and I haven't yet tried this, but I think this is kind of a safety, and this is the trigger itself, and I think that's a safety, this TPE. Let's have a look. Check button, switch trigger, check button. I imagine that that's a safety, so that you cannot engage the button without pressing that. Good. And then there's also an accessory, the chip receiver, which would mount here somehow. But I don't have that, and I don't think I need that. What else? Also, this was interesting, this direction of cuts, and yeah, I'm not sure if it matters which way you cut, as long as you tilt it the way you are going. And I was a bit confused about this picture. This is the cut heights, how much you should cut in one go, and I guess this just means that if there's like longer branches, you should snip them off with shears first, which is kind of annoying. But we'll see how it fares. I'm not going to use any manual tools. Hopefully I just didn't void my warranty, but whatever. I'm not AVE. Oh yeah, and check this out. I'm floor gang now. I'm reviewing this sitting on my lawn. And there's no ceiling at all. Of course. And what was interesting here in this instructions was the blade maintenance, because I was wondering if you need oil for the blade like on a chainsaw, and there's nothing to fill here, but you should smear some oil on the blade before starting, and also every once in an hour of operation, and then just cleaning with the rag, and do not use any acetone or anything to clean it, just clean rag and wire brush. But yeah, that's pretty much it. I hope I have the actual unboxing from the box, but if I do not have it on my first video, here it is. It's DUH523Z. It's operated with Makita 18-volt lithium-ion batteries, and the blade length is about 1/2 meter. So that's for the unboxing. I'll go charge a battery for this, and let's try it with a completely full battery. Okay, I decided to wear some safety goggles, because I've never used one of these, and I imagine that I could get some stuff in my eyes, and these are the type of hedges which have pointy things in them. I have a fully charged Makita 4 ampere hour official battery. This is not the China battery, this is a real Makita battery, although I suspect these come from China also. Yes. Let's see, Makita Corporation, Untitled Japan for EU Makita, John Baptist Wingstraat, Belgium, cell made in Singapore, pack processed in China. So let's try this. So I went and get a rack with some oil. That's just some lawnmower oil like SAE 30. Just giving a good wipe for the blade on both sides. Sorry about the weird video quality. There's something wrong with my camera's autofocus. I guess I need a new one soon. It's really quite effortless to cut with this. I've never used one before, and this is really easy. This is really correct tool for the job I bought it for. And there's these longer branches which I was kind of hesitant to cut, but yeah, there was no problem at all. It just went through them. So, thanks for watching, subscribe, like, comment, all that stuff. Have a nice day.